Okay, in this example, we're talking about the relative frequency approach to probability. Okay, so the relative frequency approach to probability says that you conduct a procedure and count the number of times that event A actually occurs. Okay, and then based on these results, P of A, remember this is the notation for probability of A, P of A is approximated as follows. It's going to be the number of times A occurred divided by the total number of times the procedure was repeated. Okay, and right here we have a relatively straightforward example. Okay, suppose that in a recent year in a certain city of 65,371 people, 4 of them were struck by lightning. Okay, so the procedure in this case is counting the number of people and recording how many were struck by lightning. Okay, and if one person from the city is randomly selected, what is the probability they will be struck next year? So this is just going to be approximation using the relative frequency approach. So we're going to go like this. The probability P is going to be the number of people who were struck by lightning, which is 4, divided by the total number of people in the city. So the probability a randomly selected person will be struck next year is going to be 4 over 65,371. Okay, and that's the answer. So this is an example of the relative frequency approach to probability. And again, in this case, the procedure, so to speak, was just counting the number of people in the city and recording how many were struck by lightning. And the event A was the event of selecting someone who will be struck. And again, the final answer is P equals 4 over 65,371.